Hey guys! In today's video we're going to be showing you how to create your API key for YouTube. So, let's get started. Since Google owns YouTube, the best thing to do first is to have your Google account already logged in. At the beginning, you can see that I'm already logged in here, and then you want to go to console.cloud.google.com. We are going to the Google Cloud Console. And you'll encounter a user agreement window. You can go ahead and accept it. Typically, this will say New Project, but it's still a drop-down menu. Since I already have a project, it says YouTube Tests. However, if you don't have a project yet, you'll want to click on New Project to create one. Let's enter a project name. The location isn't needed right now. Then, click on the Create button. Our project is being created. Once it's ready, you'll want to select the project from here. You need to open up the navigation to ensure the correct project is selected. Now, go to the navigation menu, then select API and Services, and click on Library. From here, scroll down to find YouTube Data API v3 and click on it. Then, click the Enable button to activate the YouTube API. Go to Credentials from the navigation menu. Click on Create Credentials. Then select API Key. Once you do that, an API key will be generated. Great! Our API key has been successfully created. You can now copy this key and use it to access YouTube's API features and integrate them into your project. If you want to return, you can click Show Key. It will bring you to the same screen. That's how you get the API key for YouTube. To restrict your API key, click the Edit Key link. This lets you control where and how your key is used. You can easily select either restricted or unrestricted options for your API key. We wanted to restrict the key, so we selected the restricted option. And then, we checked YouTube Data API v3 from the list. Now click the Save button. You'll see a green checkmark appear next to the API key text, indicating that the API key has been successfully restricted. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. We appreciate your time and look forward to seeing your next video. Thank you for watching.